Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wireless security cameras is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home or business, offering peace of mind and enhanced safety whether you're at home or away, ensuring that every corner is monitored with crystal clear video quality and advanced features that adapt to your specific needs, making them an indispensable tool in today's world for proactive security and surveillance. Number 5. 2K Pan Tilt Wi-Fi Security Camera. Experience crystal clear 2K video day or night. Access live streams and recordings from anywhere, keeping a constant watch on your home, baby, or pets. Its advanced color night vision ensures you never miss a detail, even in complete darkness. Our intelligent AI motion detection distinguishes between people and pets, sending instant alerts directly to your phone. This advanced feature works without any subscription, ensuring you're always aware of important activity. Stay connected with your loved ones through the built-in two-way audio. You can easily communicate with your family, baby, or pets, or even deter intruders, all from your phone app. Enjoy complete peace of mind with its 360 degrees coverage. The smart pan and tilt rotation allows it to track movement and capture everything, ensuring no blind spots in your home. Choose the storage that suits you best with support for both TF cards and cloud storage. Enjoy a free trial of advanced features, with flexible subscription options available for enhanced functionality. This indoor camera provides uninterrupted 24/7 protection, powered by a reliable Type-C cord. Share access with family members for added convenience and peace of mind. What we like. This camera offers exceptional 2K clarity and a full 360 degrees view with its pan and tilt capabilities. Its AI motion detection ensures you only get relevant alerts. If you're looking for a versatile indoor camera to keep an eye on babies, pets, or your entire living space, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera has a clear picture and good night vision. Easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi. The motion detection works well and sends alerts promptly. Number 4. Hiseeu Wireless Wi-Fi Security Camera System 16CH4K NVR. Experience true plug-and-play convenience with this security system. It offers local control without needing Wi-Fi, and for remote access, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity up to 100 feet, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy uninterrupted, 24/7 recording thanks to wired power for both the cameras and the NVR. Choose from continuous, motion-triggered, or custom recording modes for ultimate flexibility without battery concerns. This system comes with a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, providing over 45 days of continuous local storage without any monthly fees. Its advanced compression technology ensures stable transmission even with limited bandwidth. Start with 4 3MP cameras and a 4K NVR, with the ability to expand up to 16 channels. These cameras are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring reliable operation year-round. Benefit from advanced motion detection and AI human detection that distinguishes people from pets or shadows. Receive alerts only for genuine threats, ensuring your peace of mind. Capture sharp details even in complete darkness with its enhanced night vision capabilities. The system also includes one-way audio, allowing you to listen in real time without drawing attention. Stay informed with instant notifications sent directly to your phone, allowing for live viewing and playback anytime. Plus, enjoy a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support for a worry-free purchase. What we like. This system provides a robust 4K NVR with the ability to expand up to 16 channels, offering massive local storage without any monthly fees. If you need a scalable and comprehensive security solution for a large home or business and prefer local storage, this system is ideal. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, ensuring comprehensive surveillance. Motion detection is highly sensitive, alerting users to any movement within the camera's range. The night vision feature provides clear footage even in complete darkness, thanks to its infrared capabilities. Number 3. Hiseeu 5MP Wireless PTZ Security Camera System. Experience unparalleled clarity with our 5MP Ultra HD security cameras. They capture every detail, ensuring you never miss a thing. With 355 degrees horizontal and 95 degrees vertical rotation, these cameras provide complete coverage of your property. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to total peace of mind. The 120 degrees wide viewing angle expands your surveillance area. Monitor more of your home and surroundings with ease. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, these cameras are IP66 waterproof. They are built to withstand the elements and keep watch day and night. Receive instant alerts when motion is detected. Our advanced system notifies you of any suspicious activity, keeping you informed and in control. Communicate directly with visitors or deter intruders using the built-in two-way audio. You can see, hear, and speak through the cameras. Enjoy continuous 24/7 surveillance with the included 1 TB hard drive. This system ensures that every moment is recorded for your security needs. What we like. With 5MP Ultra HD PTZ cameras and a 10-channel NVR, this system delivers stunning clarity and wide coverage. The pan-tilt zoom functionality on each camera ensures no blind spots. If you prioritize high-resolution video and the ability to actively control the camera's view for detailed surveillance, this is the system for you. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the area. It offers clear night vision, allowing for visibility in low-light conditions. The motion detection feature sends alerts to your phone when activity is detected. Number 2. AI Motion Detection Wireless Outdoor Security Camera. Enjoy peace of mind with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, providing up to 5 months of use on a single charge. It's completely wireless and weatherproof, so you can install it anywhere without hassle. Experience intelligent security with advanced AI that distinguishes between people, vehicles, pets, and packages. Get instant alerts on your phone the moment motion is detected. See everything in stunning 2K clarity, day or night. It offers both full color and infrared night vision up to 33 feet, ensuring a clear view of your property at all times. Communicate directly with visitors or warn off intruders using the built-in microphone and speaker. You can even activate a siren and flashing light to deter unwanted guests. Keep your footage safe with support for both micro SD cards up to 128 GB and secure cloud storage. Choose the option that best suits your needs for storing recordings. What we like. This camera is completely wire-free and battery-powered, offering incredible installation flexibility with up to 5 months of use on a single charge. Its IP65 waterproof rating means it can handle any weather. If you need a camera for a location without easy access to power or wiring, and want the added deterrence of a spotlight and siren, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The camera quality is very clear. Night vision is very good as well. I love that I get notified on my phone whenever it senses activity. The battery life is still great, the app still works well, the picture quality is still great, and I still feel safer because of it. Number 1. Hiseeu Solar Camera Wireless Outdoor 4MP4 Cam Kit. Experience true freedom with our wire-free solar-powered security system. With just 2 hours of sunshine, it's ready for a full day of recording, ensuring your property is always protected without missing a moment. See everything in stunning clarity with 4MP resolution and vibrant color night vision. It transforms nighttime into daylight, extending your view up to 65 feet, so you never miss a detail, day or night. Gain complete peace of mind with a 360 degrees view. Its pan and tilt capabilities cover every angle, ensuring your home is protected from all directions, no matter where you are. Stay connected to what matters most. Remotely view your family and property in real time, ensuring your home is safe and secure, wherever life takes you. Set it up once and forget about it. This easy-to-install system requires no ongoing subscription fees, offering a permanent and reliable security solution for your home. Built to withstand the elements, this system features an IP66 waterproof design. It operates flawlessly in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures, providing reliable monitoring in any condition. What we like. This system is solar-powered, offering a truly wire-free experience with continuous charging and 100% wireless setup. It features 4MP cameras with color night vision and a 360 degrees view thanks to its pan and tilt capabilities. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, low-maintenance, and fully comprehensive outdoor security solution that you can install anywhere, this solar-powered kit is the way to go. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, ensuring comprehensive surveillance. Motion detection is highly sensitive, accurately alerting to any movement within its range. The night vision feature provides clear black and white images even in complete darkness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.